Hello guys, how are you? Have you had a great day? Make sure to like, subscribe, and I forgot the next one. Oh yes, follow me on my TikTok page. Bano, she is basically randomly sitting in the balcony and staring at birds. She does not know how to hunt. she she was raised in like a house. And also interesting fact, she sits in the window for hours and hours and hours looking at the birds. Fun fact, she does not know how to hunt because she was raised in a house, and I don't want to tell the sad part. They took her away from her mom. Yeah. I think that's a dove. That's a dove. Brownish, grayish dove. Is that a dove? Why does it have a white belly if it's a dove? Oink. Well, hello, my little white queen. How are you? Oh, now there are two. How surprisingly. Looks like the bird vomited out another bird. Isn't that true? That's how birds are born, right? I think that bird wants to be like the other bird's friend. See what I mean? And then let's see. I think she's asking her not to be her friend, not to be her to be her friend, and she's probably ignoring her. And now she's saying, "Why? Where did she go? She completely ignored me, and also ignored what I said. Leave her. She's useless." And that's probably what she's saying right now. Now she's looking at nature, how beautiful nature is. Comment down below if you guys love nature. Oh, there is Madam Bano. I thought she ran away. What has happened to her ear? The ear near her literally has cracks, and that scares me a lot. Hello, dove. Okay, she fell. Ooh. When her ear twitches, that probably means she's gonna turn around. Yes! Manu, where did the birdies go, huh? Where did the birdies go? Did they fly away? Did they not want to be your friend? Yeah, ignore birdies. They're completely emotionless. Manu, where did the birdie go? किधर गई? किधर गई? Guys, fun fact, Bano's mom, Bano's mom didn't teach her how to hunt. Do not go near that bag. Painting? Favorite painting? This painting? Or this? If I made this when I was in KG.